こんにちは。マヨです。元気ですか？ Hello everyone, how are you? Or, Namaste log, keze. So today we are going to teach you how to say I like something, or I don't like something, or I hate something in Japanese language. So are you ready? 準備はいいですか？では、始めましょう。
Hello, konnichiwa, namaste. My name is Indu, and today, as Mayo said, we'll be learning about how to say you like something, you dislike something, or you hate something in Japanese. So first, let's understand what is suki and kirai. Suki and kirai both are na type adjectives, that is suki na, kirai na. Suki na or suki means to like something, and kirai na or kirai means to dislike something or to hate something. So let's now see how you can make sentences using suki and kirai. Okay, so let's understand the grammar pattern. Noun plus ga suki desu. Noun plus ga suki desu. Similarly, for making sentences using kirai, you can say noun plus ga kirai desu. Noun plus ga kirai desu. For example, I can say anime ga suki desu. Anime ga suki desu. You have to put ga particle with suki and kirai. But of course, this is a language and rules have exceptions in any language. So if you are curious and you want to know what are the exceptions and where you can use wa, where you can use ga, you can find a video by Mayo in the description down below. Now, since Japanese people don't like to use kirai a lot, which we'll be explaining in the later part of this video, so in that case, you should actually say I don't like. So you should make negative of suki. So suki desu is I like. When you want to say you don't like, you can make negative of suki and use it in the sentence. So when you want to make a polite sentence, you should say suki de wa arimasen. Suki de wa arimasen. Or you can say suki de wa nai desu. Suki de wa nai desu. More casual versions would be suki ja arimasen. Suki ja arimasen. Or suki janai desu. Suki janai desu. So instead of using kirai, you can say suki de wa arimasen, suki de wa nai desu, suki ja arimasen, or suki janai desu. Okay, now since you've understood the grammar behind making these sentences, let's look at some examples.
私はスイカが好きです。私はスイカが好きです。私はドラえもんが好きです。私はドラえもんが好きです。私はパニプリが好きです。私はパニプリが好きです。私は甘いものが好きじゃないです。私は甘いものが好きじゃないです。私は灰色が好きじゃないです。私は灰色が好きじゃないです。
So, Mayo, is it correct that Japanese people don't like to use kirai? And if yes, can you explain why?
Yes, you are right. We Japanese people don't like to say I hate 嫌いです because it sounds too strong and we don't like to say our strong opinions in general. So if we hate something, for example, if we hate the food someone gave me, then we can't say 嫌いです we can't say I hate it. Or we can't actually even say I don't like it. We just say, おいしいです。To make it sound very soft, we like to say 私は好きではありません。So we don't like it, but we don't hate it either. So you should memorize 嫌い, but you shouldn't use too much.
Okay, so for making question sentences, you just simply have to add ka at the end. So it would be nani ga suki desu ka? Let's look at these examples to understand better. Mayo-chan, panipuri ga suki desu ka?
もちろん大好きです。インド、納豆 豆は好きですか？
納豆ちょっと臭くない？嫌いです。
とっても美味しいのに。How is she? She's giving me a strong opinion, isn't she? I offered her some food. She should say just thank you and it's good.
Instead of saying something like that, you should be saying something like this. 納豆ですか？美味しそう。でももうご飯食べましたから、また今度ね。ありがとう。まよちゃん、アニメキャラクターの中で誰が一番好きですか？
私はリヴァイさんが大好きです。Okay, that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching and thank you very much Indu for your amazing lesson.
まよちゃん、ありがとうございました。Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're new here, please subscribe to this channel, please like this video, and please share this video with fellow Japanese learners. Till next time, bye bye.
See you again in the next video. では次の動画でお会いしましょう。バイバイ。さようなら。またね。